Ramp virtual cards can be used for any purchases you are making on the web or if your users are away from their desks. You can issue a card by selecting Issue Spend in the upper right corner and selecting the type of card you would like to issue. A general best practice with Ramp is creating vendor or purpose specific virtual cards. Once you select the card type, you will indicate who the card is for and the purpose of the card below as the card's name. Typically, Ramp customers will indicate the vendor and the reason for the card on this line. Below that, you will indicate the amount allotted for this card. Think of Ramp cards almost like a charge card, in the sense that you're saying up to this amount can be spent in this time period. So for this general expenses card, we will say that up to $200 can be spent on a monthly basis. Below that, you will select the submission policy the card falls under. You'll notice it defaults to your team's default submission policy here, but you have the option to adjust this on the card level if you have multiple submission policies. At the bottom, you will see advanced controls. This includes spending controls and restrictions, such as restricted categories and/or vendors. Auto-locking the card after a certain date and max transactions amounts to decline transactions that are over a preset amount can be found here. Next, you can indicate any additional reviews with expense approvals, preset coding with transaction coding rules, and whether team members could submit reimbursements against this card limit or link this card to their physical card if applicable. Once you input these pieces of information, you're ready to press Issue. As soon as you press Issue Card, the card will be ready for immediate use. If you'd like to see card information, you can click into the card name to see specifics such as the name of the card number, and which policies the card falls under, as well as a list of all card transactions at the bottom. A pro tip here is to download Ramp's Chrome extension and mobile app to bring your Ramp card information wherever you are working. If you ever need to edit any information on the card, you can do so by clicking the Edit button at the bottom of the page. Any updates you make to the card will be available in real time.